everybody, and welcome back to We'll See Tech. Today we're going to be unboxing the Innoview portable monitor. Now I got this to work with my Samsung S26 Ultra right here. I'm going to use it in DeX mode, but I needed a portable monitor. So I was looking at Amazon and I found this one on sale. Got it for just a little over 50 bucks right now, somewhere in the neighborhood of 60. But I got this mainly because of the portability. It's got pretty good reviews and has a low blue light. It says it has a 178-degree viewing angle. It says it's about 1.5 pounds. Has a 1200 to 1 contrast ratio. Now the peak brightness is around 300 nits, which isn't very big, but for portable viewing, just when you need a little something, hopefully it'll be good to go. And it even says it's HDR. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it out of the box and see what we got and plug it up and see what it looks like. So, okay, well here's what it comes with. Owner's manual. Got some monitor facts, question and answer. I ain't up on my Chinese, so don't know what that says on that side, but this was the main reason actually why I got it, for the sleeve. I really like the way the sleeve looked. You're going to need to protect your monitor when it's in your backpack. So this is why, one of the main reasons why I got it. So we'll just set this over to the side. Now for the monitor, let's pull it out, see what it looks like. So we have USB-C to BC and hey, an HDMI cable. Sweet. Styrofoam. Look at that. Looks pretty nice. Now one of the main reasons I got this also is because of the kickstand. I really like the way that kickstand looks like it would operate. I think that was so far back. On the side, we got a headphone jack, menu. I'm assuming volume up and down, power. On this side, we have HDMI, Type-C, and Type-C. So let's pick up the phone and see what it does. Well, there we go. Look at that. Come on pretty quick. Hey, and it's automatically starting with DeX. How cool is that? Now this was, like I said, this was the main reason I wanted to get this, was because of Samsung DeX, but wow, that looks pretty nice. So obviously I know it's not touchscreen. I don't have a mouse paired to this yet, so we'll stop there. But if you like what you're seeing, give us a like and a subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you want to see a video about how this works with DeX. Kind of maybe out and about, instead of just being at the house. And we'll see how this works. So come back next time and we'll see.